Finding the first terms of a geometric sequence using an explicit rule. Well, if you wanted to, you could find, or write, I should say, the general form for a geometric sequence. So there's the general form of a geometric sequence, starting with what? N equals 1, 2, 3, and so on. But we don't really need to know the general form in this case. We just need to be able to simplify 4 expressions. So why don't we get started? Why don't we write a sub 1? And you guys could work with me and just check your answers. Remember to do order of operations first. Order of operations here says do the exponents first. So I'm really doing 2 squared first, which is 4. And we get negative 32. What do you think? Do you think a sub 4 is going to be positive or negative? So we get 8 times 8. But you have a negative in front, so it's a negative 64. Let's summarize this. Therefore, a sub 1 is negative 8. A sub 2 is negative 16. A sub 3 is negative 32. A sub 4 is negative 64. Can you figure out what a sub 5 is following this pattern? I'm going to circle all of this. Yes, I circled the final answers, but it's very important that you show some work. All right, what about the next one? Once again, go ahead and try to do this on your own, and then you could follow along to check your answers. You could pause the video if you want so that you don't see the answers right away. Once again, the order of operations says do the exponents first. And so a lot of times when you're computing sequences, what you're trying to do is actually write patterns. 3 times negative 5 to the 0, so that's just 3 times 1, which is 3. This, however, says 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15. This says 3 times negative 5 squared, which is positive 75. Remember, you're doing the exponents first, okay, in order of operations. So 3 times negative 5 raised to the 3rd power. That is negative 125 times 3. So 300, negative 375. Yeah, that looks good. And, can you check the common ratio? R is equal to a sub 2 over a sub 1, which is negative 15 over 3. It is, in fact, negative 5. Same thing if you check R equals a sub 4 over a sub 3. You'll notice that negative 375 divided by what? 75. Turns out that goes into that evenly 5 times, or in this case, negative 5. Yeah. All right. Well, I forgot to summarize my numbers. I apologize. Let's summarize our numbers. A sub 1 is 3. A sub 2 is negative 15. A sub 3 is 75. And a sub 4 is equal to negative 375. The checking was just for my amusement. And so, there you go.